Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Taya here. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to be making these super delicious and fluffy pumpkin pancakes. Yes, it's pumpkin season and we're going to make some pumpkin pancakes. If you're interested in this video, grab your pots, grab your pans, and let's get into it. My mom used to make these a lot growing up, and I must say they are my absolute favorite. We just start by sifting all our dry ingredients and then whisking them. Then we're just gonna get into our wet ingredients, which we're just gonna mix together, make sure everything's well incorporated. Then combine the wet with the dry ingredients. We're gonna go ahead and set our pan in an over medium heat and just spray it with some oil spray, and then just flip them over a little bit, see if they're a little browned, and that's how I know if they're done. If you have a better trick, let me know, but that's how I know mine are done. And then if you're a perfect student and want to get the perfect shaped pancakes, you can use these little circle shapers that I got on Amazon. And that one I flipped over perfectly, but I was trying to be cute and do like a one-handed trick, which I failed epically on. So here's pancakes, but it did come out well. That's it, you're done. You've got these perfectly delicious pancakes. If you guys do try out this recipe, please let me know. The ingredients will be in the description box below. Feel free to share this video, please. It helps out my channel. Comment, like it, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, guys.